So, my shot. I'm going to try and bounce off of the red one.
Okay.
Go.
If you want to do that.
Yep, I do.
Oh, honey. You got a honey did it shot.
Nice shot.
I presume you don't like planes either then.
Absolutely not. One thing, you'd have to go through all that security. Oh, that means you have a shot. You can win. If you win this one, then you win the whole match.
Why?
Just to make it exciting.
Is that a new rule you made up? I'm going to tell Marion and Dorothy that one. Guess what, girls? I hit one shot at the end. I won it. It's mine. Ooh.
Oh!
You made the rule up, mister. You made the rule up.
And the
Sorry,
winner.
and is this number 6? We're going to only do 7. I have to use the ladies' room. Oh, wow.
Glad I got that.
That's crazy. You are one crazy man. Definitely, no two ways about it. Maybe that's why they use the little ones.
Oh, I don't think so.
Makes it more of a challenge.
No, they don't. The club members use stuff like heavier than
Oh,
this.
okay.
Okay. I'm gonna just try and get that black one out of it.
How come you're not trying to get this one through?
It's not my turn yet.
I mean, the yellow one. You didn't want to do anything with that one.
Well, I really wanted to knock the black one out of it.
Why do you care? Wait a minute. We're going this way.
Yeah.
This way. Thought you might have changed on me. Midstream.
Yeah.
Don't be doing that.
Thinking about it.
You're testing me. Okay, we're going. That's right. Seems wrong, but it's right. Oh, shoot. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Oh,
Sorry. Wouldn't hurt it, would it? I'd never talk to you again. Oh, probably. Good job, Mr. Catcher.